YouTube, what is up? I'm back with a brand new video. Here today we're going to be doing a beat tutorial on an Osamason type beat. Now this is going to be still in that glow sound, but it's just going to have like some different variations on how I treat the mixing, the drums inside this track. Thank you again to all the new subscribers and everybody who has been supporting my channel. It really helps me a lot if you just subscribe and drop a like on the channel, and also comments, tell me what you would be interested in seeing as far as like different tutorials or just me cooking up more, different things like that, and I'll bring that to you. Again, thank you again for everybody who has been supporting me with the multi-kit. I released a multi-kit because I had 1K on Instagram. This kit has a bunch of curated sounds by me in this sound that I'm going to be going over today, and also I have over 20 plus loops that you can cook up within the same sound that I'm going to be showing you today. And I just appreciate everybody who has been supporting the channel. Let's get into the video. Let's do this breakdown. Alright, so I got something here. I'm just gonna kind of mess around. Alright, I got something I'm about to layer on top of this here. I'm about to just start building and kind of just going through sound design and just kind of like making it sound more fuller. Now that's what we got so far, and then I'm going to be just pretty much stacking it as we go on to the next one and the next one and the next one. Yeah, pretty much something like this. Just like a pluck or something that can just like brighten this up a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and just play what we got all together so far. Alright, that's what I got so far. Now we're just gonna go ahead and add a lead on top of this. Okay, after my program just crashed, I'm gonna go ahead and finish tracking everything out like I said I was. And I'm gonna do a sub 2, so that can be counted as like a 3808s. YouTube. Thanks for supporting me again. Thanks for all the feedback and comments that I have been receiving. Drop a like, it really does help with the channel, and subscribe, and also leave feedback. Any type of engagement really helps me get pushed inside the algorithm, and it will really help a lot. I've been going through a really hard time in my life, so it means the world to me that I am seeing people interact with my content and engage with me, and I appreciate everybody. Even if you have something that you didn't like about the video or something that you did like, you can always let me know, and I will enjoy the feedback. Thank you again. Have a great day, everybody. Stay blessed.